Hello and a warm welcome from me, Joe Salmon, and congratulations for reaching this page. You must have clicked on a video somewhere along the way and you've reached to this page and shown some interest in basically looking to do some surveys for some cash, okay? And actually it really does work. I've actually signed in myself and created an account and made some money. I mean, it was 5-10 minutes I found money in my account, and I want to show you exactly that same account. But what I want to do with this video is take you step by step, taking you through the process of actually registering an account, how simple that is, and how simple it is actually to do a survey, and how simple it is to see the money go straight into your account. Okay, so this basically, I don't want to take this video too long. And what I've done, I've actually created an account yesterday, which I've been working on, and there are some things on that account which I'd like to show you, which will help you, do's and don'ts. Okay, so we're going to move on quickly. So I'll start the process. We'll register an account. We'll start a survey, and I'll stop the survey. I won't do all the survey. You know how to do a survey, okay? And then I'll skip over to an account which I've been working on. I've done 2 or 3 surveys on that account. I'll show you the money that's gone into the account that's in there now, and I'll show you some do's and don'ts, what you should not do. So it will help you, okay? And I think you're going to like it. So this video here, you see right now, is basically poised where this young lady is. So underneath this video, you should see a button which says click here to continue. So we're going to click that button there to continue right now beneath this video, and it should take us to a page which should look something like this. So basically this is the survey rewards homepage. Very simple in design, but very powerful on the back end, okay? Very, very powerful. So what we're going to do, we're going to create an account. How do we create a free account? We have to put in an email address and a password. That's it. Nothing to pay. Keep your credit card in your pocket. It's free. Okay, so basically what we need to do is create a free account. So let's go ahead and create a free account. Okay. So basically we're going to create a free account here now, okay? So that's it. That's your account set up. Done. That's it. Nothing to it. So that's your free account, and it should take us over to a page which should verify us now to start the surveys. Okay, so basically what you need to do, guys, let me just go through it quickly. I'm not going to go through the whole of this. It's a quick, it's about 8 pages long, 10 pages long. Once you've completed that, right, it will put money onto your account. See this bar at the top here? I think you can see this bar here. Once you've completed these pages, that green bar will just fill out until it's finished, comes to the end, and it will pay you at the end of this survey. Can I bring to your attention right now, which I did not see when I first started this, you possibly wouldn't even recognize it because you're not familiar with it, okay? It says quality score at the moment. They give you 100 right there, okay? 100, and it's good. Now if you put in false information, they will penalize you, and you don't want that, okay? You want to put in correct information. Don't just put in anything that you want to, because they've got trick questions in there. They've designed it to make you slip, and if you slip, they will penalize you, and that score will drop, and you don't want that to drop. So let me just bring it to your attention, because I want to show you in the next in the next account, which I'm going to jump to now, and I'll show you the do's and don'ts of setting that up. So right now you start off with a quality score of 100, and it's good. Okay, see that? Okay. So we're going to fill out this form, and it'll take you through another couple of forms. Just fill them all out, guys, and to that you see this bar fill up. Once it's all filled up, it's about 10 pages, 8 pages long. Very simple to do, and then you're good to go. Okay, and then I want to jump over right now to a test account that we've put together. Once you've done that, I'm going to show you what you will see once that's finished. Okay, now this is a test account. I've done 2 surveys here. As you look up here, you can see I've already done 2 accounts withdrawals. I've got $3.80 in there, 81. I've done 2 surveys, which took me about 12 minutes, which isn't too bad. If you can do it all day, you must probably earn some good money. And then basically what you need to do then, after you've done a survey, another survey will pop up, and it says complete the survey, and another survey will pop up. You complete that, they'll pay another $1 into your account, and then another survey will come up, and they'll put another, and the more surveys you do, the better money you make. Now, let me bring to your attention, it sees the quality score. It says critical alert, and it's 84. Why do you think that is? Okay, let's just click on that. just quickly, keep the video short. I'll click on that, and it goes to show the score is due to failing multiple quality checks, right? Because it checks I was just putting random things, and it's wrong. You can't do it, guys. And it tells you what you've done wrong. It registers it, so you go into the red. And it says, like, you know, it's weird, it is. So they know that you're doing something wrong. So please put in the right information. So even you don't have to be, you know, it's just got to be the right. Read the question, answer the question, you know, to the best of your ability. If you don't know, just say you don't know. But don't just put anything in there, because it'll be detriment to you actually earning money. So let's go back to the withdrawals. Sorry, let's go back to the account. If you go to withdrawals, you need to fill out those details there as well. A few more details they'll need for you to actually withdraw your money. Okay, so if we go back to the account, this is the back office, and it's loading another offer, and that's it. So the next offer they'll pay is a dollar. One of the other ads was $2.40, okay, and so forth. The more, as you can see, where it says the higher the quality score, okay, the more money they'll give you per survey. So this service could be $4.50, $3.90 per survey, $5 per survey. The higher you get the score, okay, it's important. The higher the score you have, they can see that you're doing something correct. They can see that you're filling out the forms right. They will reward you on rewarding yourself on filling out the forms correctly for them, because, you know, they're paying you good money to do it. So to do that, I found out to my detriment that if I just put in any information that I felt that I wanted to just to get through the survey, it wasn't very good. And they see, I've got a critical alert, and from 100 it went down to 84. And each survey I have done now, it's one point on. So I have to do another, I don't know what, 16 surveys to get that back to 100. You know, where you start off at 100. So I'm just a do and don't. Do not put in false information. And as you can see, they do pay you. So it's $3.81. The next survey is $1. You do that survey, click on that, it goes through the process, and away it goes. I want to keep this video short. So that's the process. So there you go. The more you do, the higher the score rate is, the higher the score is, the more the higher the payout is. Okay. So you'll do like surveys of $2, $3, $4, $5. You know, and the more you do, the more money you get. So with that said, God bless you guys, and I hope you all the best and all the success with taking surveys with Survey Rewards.